Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Apple's most anticipated releases of the year, the iPhone 17 Air. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's surprisingly light. Literally and figuratively, Apple is targeting users who crave performance and portability in a minimal form factor. So, let's break down what makes this phone stand out. First things first, let's talk about that gorgeous 6.6-inch OLED display. Apple finally brings 120Hz ProMotion to this thin and lightweight model, which is a game changer for smooth scrolling and responsive animations. Whether you're browsing Instagram or gaming, everything feels fluid and crisp. Now, let's talk about thickness. The iPhone 17 Air is just 5.5mm thin. That's incredibly slim, thinner than any iPhone ever made, and Apple somehow did it without sacrificing too much in terms of performance or battery life. Under the hood, this beauty is powered by the blazing fast A19 Pro chip, a new beast built for speed and efficiency. Paired with 12GB of RAM, this device will handle multitasking, AI processing, and high-end gaming like a pro. And speaking of AI, yes, Apple Intelligence is fully supported here. That means smarter suggestions, better on-device Siri, advanced photo editing. Apple is betting big on AI this year, and the 17 Air doesn't get left out. Let's flip over to the camera system. You're getting a 48-megapixel single wide-angle camera on the back, perfect for everyday shots, portraits, and even high-res landscape photos. On the front, there's a 24-megapixel camera that promises better selfies, clearer video calls, and top-tier performance in low-light conditions. One interesting decision Apple made here is to include a single speaker in the earpiece. This minimalist move helps maintain the ultra-thin profile, but some users might miss the traditional stereo speaker setup. Another big update, Apple is now using its own Apple-designed Wi-Fi chip and Apple C1 modem. That's right, Apple is pushing more control over its hardware stack. And yep, you guessed it, there's no SIM card tray on the iPhone 17 Air. Apple is going all in on eSIM. If you're not already using eSIM, now's the time to get familiar. Now for one of the biggest surprises, the battery capacity is just 2800 mAh. That's relatively small by today's standards, but Apple claims software and chip efficiency will make up for it. We'll have to test that in the real world. However, charging should be a breeze with 50-watt MagSafe support, making this the fastest MagSafe iPhone yet. The iPhone 17 Air is officially set to launch in September 2025, starting at around $899 for the base model, aligning with Apple's traditional release cycle. So, who is this phone for? If you're someone who values ultra-portable design, modern performance, and future-focused features like Apple Intelligence and eSIM, the iPhone 17 Air is worth a look. However, the smaller battery and lack of a stereo speaker may be trade-offs to consider. Let me know what you think. Is this your dream iPhone, or are you waiting for the iPhone 17 Pro Max instead? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates on everything Apple. Catch you in the next one.